Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations.
And I'm Megan from Blue Sky.
And we're going to unbox the last bark box that I'm getting.
This is what it looks like. Oops. That's all we see right now. So you pull that out.
Okay. Oh, it looks like little punch outs. It says Snuggles, Pups, and I don't know how to pronounce it. Hygge?
Hygge.
Oh, Hygge?
Hygge.
A Danish word that means feeling comfy, cozy, and snug as a bug in a rug.
Hug.
Oh, I can't read
Hug.
either. And it is little bitty punch outs. They're game pieces.
Oh.
Yeah.
To the left.
Okay,
There you go. Okay.
Alrighty.
So the first treat in here we have is Henrik's Holiday Ham. It is wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. But is it gluten-free?
What's the next one?
The next one is Greta's Gourmet Turkey. Hygge Comfort Food. Wheat-free, soy-free, and corn-free.
Alright. Now, is that it for the food and the treats?
Nope.
Another one?
Looks like a fat Slim Jim.
Yeah, it sure does, doesn't it?
Thinker's Duck Recipe. So it's a big and thick.
Okay.
I don't know, how thick would you say that is?
One of those
Like a
size of
half
those, one of those
inch?
pretzels that you normally get.
Like the soft pretzel?
The stick pretzels. I don't think they're soft.
I don't know what those are, but it's
Oh,
about
usually they dip
half
them
an
in
inch
chocolate
thick.
around Christmas time. Or
So we got this toy.
and what is he?
He is a Lazy Susan squirrel. What is that? Looks like a marshmallow maybe? Tube squeaker, crinkle, and long plush.
Oh, got Dewey's attention. Okay,
Nice
next.
big feet on that one. The next one looks like a bowl of pho or soup or maybe rice and
It's
stuff.
vegetable soup. See the vegetables on top?
Oh, no I didn't. It says soup
Yes.
troop.
Uh-huh.
It's a disc, squeaker, and crinkle.
Carrot and
Oh,
celery.
so the
isn't it?
squeaker's at the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah. Okay.
looks like a happy bowl of soup.
What else?
The paper.
What's that circle?
I don't know. Oh, that's part of the game.
Part of the game.
It's
Okay.
a spinner. And this is
Part of the game board.
the game board.
Oh, and look, it's It's a fireplace on the other side. There you go. Okay, and that's it for the box.
There's something on the inside. It says, what we bark to. Oh, it seals, I think. Can you see that?
Inside, I don't know.
I don't know either. My big
Well, that was a
forehead's-
pretty good box. I know they're gonna like all those goodies.
Yeah.
These are the gourmet turkey are shaped like stars. I don't know if they can see that.
I'm sure.
That
Yeah.
ham look like mittens, don't they? Isn't that like a mitten right there? The shape of a mitten. So it's Christmas shapes, little mittens, little stars.
Hard to tell.
Cute. All right, that's it for the bark box. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good